So this is a quick little video to answer the question on orthographic projection, page 161, question 3. So it asks me to draw a front elevation in the direction of arrow A, a plan in the direction of arrow B, and an in view in the direction of arrow C. Now C is pointing to the left, meaning my in view is going to be on the left of my elevation. So that means I'm going to need to start my elevation around here, so I have room to draw the in view up on this side here. So if we're looking at the elevation first, okay, I'm going to see this bottom piece here, my two pieces up, and the slide part as well. Okay, so that's what I'm going to see when I'm looking at the direction of arrow A in the elevation. So I'm going to get drawn that straight away. I have this little section here. It's 15. So that all the way across. It is 80 long altogether. It goes 20, 12, 16, 12, and then 20 there. Go straight up. My height goes in 45. 45 from the bottom corner, so that's there. So that's my elevation complete. Look at it here, looking in. Oh, not. See, this piece is angled here. Nearly forgot that. And this piece is angled over here. So I'm actually going to see them as well in my elevations. So it's going to be a line straight up here on both sides. So, and here. And then I'm going to bring across my height as well. That's to show off them little angled pieces. So I'll just see them as a square basically, as a kind of a rectangle. So that's my elevation now, fully complete, okay? Once again, now I'm going to just do in my XY line in red, so it stands out a bit better to us. And I'm going to draw my plan directly below my elevation, like all the other questions we've done. So remember, the plan needs to be directly below the elevation. So in my plan view, I'm going to see this little piece here, them two little triangles, and I'm going to see all this here, and I'm going to see the slide as well. So for the plan, I can bring a lot of lines down from my elevation, which makes it a lot easier for us. So I can bring this straight down, bring this straight down. So that gives me the very back of it. Now the distance between the XY line and the plan does not matter. You can make that little distance up yourself there. The whole thing then is 60 wide in this direction, 60 here. Doing my line here as well. So this angle piece here starts in the very front here, and it travels back a distance of 30 millimeters. So I can draw this across here, my 30 millimeters. Bring down here my angle part to the front, and I can join these back here. So goes there, it goes there. So that's the angle part there now that I've drawn. Straight across here. Straight across the back also. So that's the start of the angle piece. This part here then where the slide is. So the slide goes right back to the very back. So that's my slide there drawing. And there my angle part. So this piece and this piece is here and here. My slide's in the middle, and my two corners there represent my front bits. So that's my plan fully done there now. So I'm going to write them on. So that's elevation and plane. So the next thing I must do is set up my x1, y1. And I'm just going to do it out here to the side. x1, y1. It's my x1, y1. Okay, I want an in view in the direction of arrow C. So I'm going to see this shape here. I'm going to see this little angle piece here. And I'm going to know that there's a slide here. It's going to be done in a dotted line to represent it. Okay. This piece over here will also be done in dotted lines, but because I'll have a solid line for this section here, I'm not going to see the dotted line, if that makes sense, right? So I'm standing here. When I look in, I see the solid line, so I'm obviously not going to see the dotted line next. You can't do a dotted line and a solid line together. So they go straight over from your plane till they hit your x1, y1. And they go up at 45 degrees. 45, up at 45. Straight up then, straight up. Straight up. And I can bring across my heights and stuff in for my elevation. That goes straight across there. So that's the main shape of it. Now I'm going to bring across where the angle part goes. That angle part is there. Across the height of this section here. Okay, so this large piece here represents this large piece. The square there is that. Now all I must get is my slide. So my slide starts in the very back corner here and it goes to the very front corner. So basically my slide goes from here, because this is it in the elevation, so it goes from here to there. That's hidden, so I'm going doing it in a dotted line, because I can't see it looking in this view, but I know it's there. So that now is my in view complete, that I have the hidden detail done. And that is the whole question complete as well. So that's question 3, page 161 on the orthographic projection chapter.